Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and we are doing day 1 of our 12 days of giveaway. Aww. Now we did this last year and it was really fun to highlight some small businesses or to share with you some things and supplies that I really love that you might not have the opportunity to receive. So we're gonna do that same thing this year. So for our very first day, we are doing a giveaway item of some handmade paper from Saint Suzanne in France.
Dang.
Yeah, when I went to France for a retreat a couple years ago, we went to this 13th century paper mill where they showed us the entire process. They used the same tools. It was really wonderful. And so I bought this packet of watercolor paper and it is stunning, okay? Look at the torn edge. It's just really beautiful. And then on top of this, the winner will also receive a little ornament and a mini poppy painting that I painted with that. Okay.
So cute. So cute.
So the winner's gonna receive both of these. I'm so excited. It's really beautiful paper. The last original collection that I did on some of this paper. Okay, so it's really lovely to paint on. I'm gonna do a drum roll, and Michael, can you randomly choose someone?
Yes, I can.
Ready?
Yes. The winner is Stephanie Batzer.
Stephanie, congratulations. Thank you so much for being a llama and being part of our community. It's wonderful to have you. We have all of your information, so we will contact you and get the correct shipping information to get this to you. I'm so excited. Continue watching to see what other small businesses we're going to highlight and who's going to win. In order to be a winner, all you had to have done is purchase something from Let's Make Art in this last year. You still can purchase something and put your name in the running to win something. And I will put the website to the paper mill in the description if you guys want to check them out. I did notice that they are temporarily closed. I'm not entirely sure why. But when their website is up, you can order paper from them online from France. So I'll put all that information in there. Stephanie, congratulations. Thank you for supporting us, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.